The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is supposed to be the performance tyre. The new Michelin Primacy 5 is supposed to be the comfort touring tyre. But in this comparison, the touring tyre actually beats the sport tyre in some surprising places. So which Michelin should you actually buy? This is the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 versus the Michelin Primacy 5. We start in wet, and this is where the new Primacy 5 immediately becomes interesting. In wet braking, the Primacy 5 is about 1% better than the Pilot Sport 5. That may sound small, but it's still surprising because normally you expect the ultra-high performance tyre to have the stronger braking results. But the newer Primacy 5 compound show that Michelin has really pushed wet safety forward in the touring segment. In wet handling, the Pilot Sport 5 fights back. It has a 3% advantage, which makes sense. The Pilot Sport 5 is tuned for sharper response and better control when the car is changing direction. So the story in the wet is split. Primacy 5 brakes slightly better, the Pilot Sport 5 handles better. But then the Primacy 5 scores another important win. In straight line aquaplaning, the Primacy 5 is 3% better. That means it appears to evacuate water better and resists floating on standing water more effectively. So in the wet, Primacy 5 is not just a comfort tyre, it is genuinely competitive. Now we move on to dry performance, and here the Pilot Sport 5 reminds us why it exists. In dry braking, the Pilot Sport 5 is estimated to stop 8% better than the Primacy 5. That is the clearest performance win in this comparison. This is where the UHP tyre shows its DNA. More dry grip, more stopping confidence, and more performance margin. So if dry work performance is your priority, the Pilot Sport 5 is still the correct Michelin. Now we got onto a category that changes the buying decision: mileage. The Michelin Primacy 5 is estimated to deliver a massive 37% advantage in mileage over the Pilot Sport 5. This is not a small difference. This is the reason why touring tyres exist. If you drive a lot, commute daily, or just want a tyre that lasts longer, the Primacy 5 has the clear advantage. The Pilot Sport 5 gives you more performance, but the Primacy 5 gives you more life. Rolling resistance is another major win for the Primacy 5. It is estimated to be 10% better than the Pilot Sport 5. That means that the Primacy 5 should be more efficient, helping with fuel economy or EV range depending on which vehicle. This fits the tyre's purpose perfectly. The Primacy 5 is not trying to be the sportiest tyre, it is trying to be the smarter daily tyre. Now, here's the surprising part. You might expect the Pilot Sport 5 to be more expensive because it is a performance tyre. But in the size 225/45 R17, the Pilot Sport 5 costs around €115. The new Primacy 5 costs around €119. That makes the Primacy 5 about 3% more expensive. So the Primacy 5 is not winning on upfront price, it wins on mileage and efficiency. In summary, from my tyre expert point of view, this is not simple performance tyre wins comparison. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is still the better choice if you care about driving feel. It has advantage in wet handling and a clear advantage in dry braking. So if you enjoy the sharper steering, stronger dry grip, and a sportier tyre, I would choose the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. But the new Michelin Primacy 5 is much stronger than people might expect. It is estimated to beat the Pilot Sport 5 in wet braking, aquaplaning, mileage, and rolling resistance. That makes it a smarter choice for many daily drivers.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.